Now that we've put a lot of time in on this polynomial stuff, let's take a look at a situation where we can apply it. And what I want to do is involve the distance formula with some problems. Distance equals rate of speed times time. And I want to bring you outside to a situation where distance, rate of speed, and time are pretty important. So this trip outside, what I'd like you to do is pay particular attention to anything you hear about distance, anything you hear about rate of speed, and anything you hear about time. So let's head outside. Alright, so let me explain. I'm trying to get a quick jog in, and I've got pretty much exactly 20 minutes to get my jog in. I want to get back and run some errands. One of them is to get to the post office, and it's going to close if I don't get back basically in 20 minutes. This first part of the run here is a pretty long, steady uphill. That's what we're going to start with, and I'll see you at the top. Come on, Dee. Alright, we're at the top. That uphill stretch is over. It's a 3/4 mile, pretty steady uphill stretch. I know my speed coming uphill is about 4 miles per hour. And at this point I have a choice to make. I can take this side trail over here. It's a 1 mile downhill loop that goes right back to where I started. Or I can go down the same way I came up. And seeing as that 20 minutes is still pretty important, need to get back, get to the post office, I'm going to go for the shorter. I'm going to go back the same way I came up. So we'll be going down the 3/4 mile stretch, still downhill, so 6 miles per hour. And I'll see you at the bottom. Come on, Deedus. Alright, we're back. I've got to get going. I've got to get to the post office. I hope I still have time. Well, now that we've been outside and we're back in and we've collected our data, I guess, paid attention to what's going on, the question that we need to look at to answer is, did I finish my jog in 20 minutes or less? That's the question we're, of course, going to have to answer. And what I want to do is set this problem up in a chart format. So the data that you've collected and paid attention to outside, we're going to put into a chart so we can make some sense out of this.